Cases settle on different basis. I have settled cases within 24, 48 hours. That would be the obvious case where it's the other person's fault, let's say a drunk driver or rear-end accident. There's limited insurance, and there's injuries that obviously are in excess of the limited amount of insurance available. Those are the easy cases. The more complex cases where you have to really develop the injury, you're not quite sure right away how someone's going to heal after the accident, how long their treatment's going to be, how long they're going to be out of work. So there's really no benefit to the client to rush into a settlement if there are unresolved issues. You really want to make sure that before you settle a case, you know the long run, so you're not shortchanging your client. You don't want to have a client say, you just settled my case for X, and then several months later they come back to you and say, I'm still suffering, and you don't want to be faced with that type of situation. So you really want to take enough time that you understand the long-term sequelae, the long-term consequences, so that then when you settle the case, you're fairly confident, based upon the doctor records and talking to your client, that you're coming up with a fair settlement and that nothing unexpected is going to come up in the future. You can't always foresee that, but you do the best job you can. So to answer your question, it can be a short period of time, it can take a couple of years depending on the seriousness of the injuries.